In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate photos in Google Photos. If you've ever taken a picture and noticed it shows up sideways or upside down, don't worry. Google Photos makes it very easy to fix the orientation in just a few taps. This is a quick edit, but knowing exactly where to find the rotation tool can save you time, especially when you want your images to look right before sharing them or adding them to an album. To begin, open Google Photos on your device. Once the app is open, browse through your photo library and find the image you want to rotate. Tap on that photo to open it in full screen so you can clearly see what needs to be adjusted. Next, look for the editing options and open the photo editor. From there, select the crop tool. In Google Photos, the rotate option is placed inside the crop section, so this is where you'll go anytime you need to correct the angle or orientation of a picture. After you're inside the crop menu, select rotate. The rotate icon usually looks like a square with a curved arrow around it. Each time you tap it, the photo rotates by 90 degrees. So if your image is sideways, one tap may be enough. If it's upside down, you may need to tap it twice. Just keep tapping until the photo is facing the direction you want. As you rotate the image, take a quick second to check that everything looks natural. This is especially helpful for photos with people, text, buildings, or horizons, since those make incorrect orientation easier to spot. Because the tool rotates in 90-degree increments, it's very straightforward and simple to use. Once you're done rotating the image, you'll have the option to save the changes. You can choose save if you want to update the current photo, or save copy if you'd rather keep the original image unchanged and create a new edited version instead. If you're not sure which to choose, save copy is a good option when you want to preserve the original just in case you need it later. And that's all it takes to rotate a photo in Google Photos. Open the app, select your image, go into the crop tool, tap rotate until the orientation looks right, and then save your changes. It's a fast and useful edit that can make your photos look much cleaner and more polished.